Let's talk baby's first solids, and this is something that I would make for Louis, and it was one of his favourites. So at the age of 6 months, you can start introducing, of course, all the different fruits and vegetables, and one of them that I introduced was Pear, which he absolutely adored, but with vanilla. Pear and vanilla are best mates, and put into a compote, it is just an outstanding dish on its own, or I love to serve it with some plain yogurt. So I've got about 3 pears here, and you want them to be quite ripe, and I'm just thinly slicing them. The thinner you slice them, the faster they cook. So after you've sliced them, we want to take the core out, so I just cut around that like so. And you can also do this with apple, but there's something about pear that kids just love. I think it's the consistency and, of course, the taste of it. It is just naturally sweet. So I'm not going to be adding, of course, any sugar to this because the pears are sweet enough. So into a pot, I'm going to add all my pears. And when I would make this, I would make a big batch of it, and you can freeze it into little ice cubes if you like. But this wouldn't last long in our household. He would love to eat it, but I love to eat it too, still to this day, just with a little bit of yogurt and some muesli. To this, we want to add just a tiny splash of water just to get everything going. I'm going to turn that up. A hint of lemon juice, a squeeze. If you are doing this for babies, you want to be using a vanilla bean for this. So a pure vanilla bean. It's so prized, and there's a reason for that because it does have that iconic, gorgeous perfume to it. I like to warm it up in my fingers before I take the seeds out. So just press down on the pod like so. I can feel that this one has loads of seeds in it. I'm going to get a small sharp knife. Just with the tip of the knife, we're going to cut straight down the centre. There we go, just like that. Then after you open it up, we're going to scrape all those gorgeous seeds out. See those seeds? That's what we're after. So that can go straight into our pot, and it's as simple as that. So once this starts to cook down, I'm going to give it a bit of a jiggle. I'm going to pop the lid on and cook it until it's really soft. Now, don't waste your vanilla beans because there's still loads of flavour in this. There's a few options. Pop them into a jar. Once you've got a few of them, you can roast them off, blend them until you make a beautiful vanilla bean powder. Or what I also like to do is place this into my sugar to make gorgeous vanilla sugar. All right, our vanilla and pear has cooked down. Look how soft, not too much liquid in there, just right. So now that it's cooled, we can blend this. So straight into this jug. You can also use a stick blender for this. My aim here is to get this as smooth as possible, the ultimate glossy puree. Lid goes on, and we'll give it a blend. Okay, this is ready, and I want to show you the gorgeous speckles. Look at all that vanilla in there. That is just right. And like I said, I would serve this just on some yogurt, as is, with some muesli if you like, but it's also a really good base if you want to make a pear tart. Pastry, this on the bottom and some more pears on top. Absolutely delightful. I'm going to have a little taste of this. That flavour combination of vanilla and pear is so good, and nothing beats making it homemade. It just tastes better every single time.